All right, so if g is differentiable at x equals 4, let's write g prime's function next to g's piecewise function. So let's go g prime is equal to, all right, if k is a constant, then the derivative of k root x would be 1/2 k x to the negative a half, which would be equal to k over 2 root x, and again it would be from 0 to 4. Okay, mx plus 1, if m's a constant, the derivative of m times x plus 1 would be m, from 4 to 8. All right, so if g is differentiable, that differentiability implies continuity. So the first thing I'm going to come up with a system of equations here in order to get my k and m values. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to do the limit of g of x as x approaches 4 from the left. And I'm going to do the left hand and the right hand limits, because if g is differentiable, it's also continuous, so the left hand and right hand limits would have to be the same. All right, so if I do this here, by direct substitution, I'm going to plug in 4 for x, and I'm going to get 2k. And then I'm going to do the same thing for the right hand limit. And if I plug in 4 for the right hand limit, I would get 4m plus 1. And if this function is continuous, that means that 2k would have to equal 4m plus 1. They'd have to be the same. All right, so to get my second equation, I'm just going to do the same thing with g prime. So we're going to say the limit of g prime of x as x approaches 4 from the left, because it's differentiable, so the limit g prime as x approaches 4 has to exist and be the same. So I'm going to plug in 4 into the top part here, and I would get k over 4. And then I'm going to do the same thing as x approaches 4 from the right, and that's just a constant m. So that means m must equal k divided by 4. All right. Okay, so I have my two equations. I'm going to use substitution method here. So m is equal to k over 4. So I'm going to say 2k is equal to 4 times k over 4 plus 1. So I would get 2k is equal to k plus 1. Subtract k from both sides, so I'd get k equal 1 would be one answer. Plug in k equals 1, and I would get m equals 1/4. There's my other answer. Okay, thanks for watching. If you liked that video, please like it and subscribe. Thanks.